Hello everyone, my name is Robert Greenstein, a partner at Greenstein & Milby, the attorneys behind 1-800-VICTIM-2, and welcome back to the 1-800-VICTIM-2 studio. You know, accidents involving a commercial vehicle or an 18-wheeler can really have a devastating impact on your life. The sheer size of these vehicles usually means that serious injuries result from an accident as well as damage to your car. Also, emotional damage usually arises due to the sheer chaotic nature and violent force of an accident involving an 18-wheeler. Victims of an accident involving a truck are usually faced with not only injuries but mounting medical bills. Well, first, the good news. If the accident takes place in New York is a no-fault state, which basically means that your own car, the car you're in, whether you're a driver or a passenger, whether you own the car or not, the car that you're in will pay your medical bills pursuant to the no-fault coverage, and that will also cover your lost earnings. The bad news is, unfortunately, that does not cover money for your pain and suffering, and quite often it will not cover damage to your vehicles. You'll need to make a claim against the insurance company for the trucking company in order to recover money for your pain and suffering and damage to your vehicle. Now, as far as how much your claim is worth, that really depends on the type of injury that you sustain. Trucking accidents can really cause a lot of really bad injuries, from brain injuries, head injuries, spine injuries, broken bones, facial injuries, back and neck injuries, internal injuries, lacerations, rib injuries, fractures. The seatbelts can cause injuries, causing internal bleeding. Trucking accidents could lead to spinal cord injuries and paralysis, traumatic brain injuries, and wrongful death, where your loved ones could then bring a case. There's many different causes of trucking accidents. It could be speeding, distracted driving, aggressive driving, fatigue driving. Drivers are, they're not getting the rest that they should. Could be severe weather. They're not taking into consideration the weather. Same with construction. They're not taking into consideration that there's road construction going on. They might have too much cargo and leading to brake failure. Trucks have blind spots. There could be poor lighting, making the blind spots that much worse. Could be just lack of experience, failure to obey the traffic laws, and just poor judgment on behalf of the truck drivers, all resulting in very, very serious accidents. Now, the lawyer, if you're involved in an accident with a truck, we can recover money for your pain and suffering. Yes, while no fault will cover some of your lost earnings, it won't last forever, and you very well may have future lost earnings as well as future medical bills, also diminished earning capacity, loss of enjoyment of life. You may have a disability that you have to deal with. You may need money to renovate your home to accommodate the fact that you have a disability. So, the injuries and the damages from these trucking accidents can be really very severe. How long you have to bring a claim? Well, you have 3 years to bring a claim in New York for the negligence of a driver and operator, a driver or owner of the trucking company, as well as the employer of the trucking company. The no-fault claim, that does need to be filed within 30 days, so you really should contact a lawyer as soon as possible. And as far as paying the lawyer, you don't have to worry about that. We work on a contingency. You don't pay us any money unless we're able to recover money for you. That's basically, our fee is contingent on us recovering money for you. So if you're involved in an accident with a truck, with an 18-wheeler, don't be a victim twice. Call 1-800-VICTIM-2. That's 1-800-842-8462. Thank you.